Okay, everyone, welcome to my live streaming. I'm so happy today because finally I finished the last version for ALYSSIUN Builder. We call ALYSSIUN 1.1. Hopefully, everyone will love it. We are in this journey together. So here we are. This is the ALYSSIUN 1.1 foundation that we build the world's core. Thank you so much to be here. I love you guys. You are all the support. I saw all your messages and everything everywhere in all the groups. And let me know in the comments if you can hear my voice. This is the ALYSSIUN 1.1 foundation that we build. Yeah, I was repeating the sound to make sure that you can hear my voice. I think yes, you can hear now. Hi, let me put in the chat in here. That's nice. Hey, nice. So let me know if the sound's good, if the music is too much or no. I can just lower or turn it off. It's just that I like sometimes some music to hit the vibe in here. So yeah, I'm so happy that I was working really hard. I didn't sleep too much. I want to work in the builder because I make a lot of different updates and it's so cool. So let me see to make sure that everything is good here. Yeah, and upload file. Perfect. And remember, we are in Discord, in WhatsApp, and all our social media. So you are welcome to join. Any comments or anything, let me know. Let me prepare everything because we go to work on our builder. So I think that everything is good now. Text me in the chat here in the live streaming and on the world's core. You see on the chat box here on YouTube, so I can see all your messages. I'm gonna relocate here the chat box for YouTube, so I will see all your messages. Any question, I'm gonna be super happy to help. I think we are now ready. Perfect. Yeah. Let me prepare here. All right. Okay. Okay, I was just ready was checking. We're going to start really soon. I'm just waiting for some people in here. Want to make sure the audio is good. Yeah, I think today finally the audio was a little bit better because I changed the microphone. So yeah, So from now on, I think we're gonna start making streaming every day and more often. So we're gonna start building websites, 3D immersive websites, virtual websites that we wanna call it. And now I think is the time. All right. So here we're going to start. Thank you so much to be here with me. This is the release of the ALYSSIUN 1.1 foundation that we build the world's core, and now I made a lot of different updates, improvements, and I add some new features in our builder. For example, if you go here in ALYSSIUN updates, you can go like directly in ALYSSIUN.com, and then you're going to see here the updates. You go here in builder, and then you're going to see ALYSSIUN 1.1 foundation. And then one of the new features that we have the project templates. Now we can start adding new templates. I'm going to start showing everything from the same builder. So let's do it. So we just go to our builder. If you're new here, you just go to ALYSSIUN.com, social, and select a studio, ALYSSIUN Studio. And then here we're going to have 3 different apps, the tools that we are going to provide, the modeler and the engine in the future coming soon. Now we're just working 100% to release this version, and now is the one of the most optimized version. Hopefully everything is working. Obviously, if I see any new issue or problem, bug, let me know. Also, you can send all the feedback in WhatsApp group, or through WhatsApp group or Discord. And I'm gonna be really happy to, I'm really be super happy to improve it for the next version. This is basically here the website where it shows what it's about and everything. We just go to start building. This is the new version. When you go here the first time, this is what you're going to see. You can select between business and social. And here I'm going to improve maybe tomorrow or this week, because these 2 buttons are not working, but this is just like the first part of the template. The idea here is that you're going to have a lot of different templates. It's going to be easy to just start it. You grab it from here, and then you can start building your own virtual website. This button is blank. Also, I want to make sure that all these 3 buttons are going to work. But for now, you can just select one of those spaces, and then automatically, as you see, is going to drop the template. In this case, I just put this out that I saw on internet just to make sure that that part of the template is going to work. But that's good, that is working. So I'm going to work every day, and actually in here in live streaming, to create different templates so everyone will be easy to start it, right? And let me do it again. Project, you see, you can just select. When you click here and for business, it's going to start showing a lot of websites related for business, and the same for social. That's basically how it's going to work. And then let's go in here. You see, it changed the different. And now let's go to I'm really excited, because now I built it, but also I am pretty excited because I love it actually. I really love it. Well, not because I made it, but I'm going to show you why. It's so incredible. Here, when you enter the builder for the first time, you have the hierarchy, the same like yesterday, the inspector, and the library right here. Now, you see, now we have 2 different modes, buttons. We didn't have it before. Now we have the master mode, the easy mode, and master mode. It's now in progress. It's the first version for this functionality. But the idea of this is that when you enter the first time, it's gonna be an easy mode, and I'm going to figure out how you can build something in the most easy way that you don't need to have a lot of skills to just use the builder. That's the idea behind of the experience modes between easy and master mode. As you see, when I click master mode, it's going to start showing things like more advanced functionalities and everything. So that's only in progress. In the next release, you're going to start seeing less buttons to make it easy for you to start. So let's keep it here in easy mode. Let's put it in master mode because I need to see everything. And now we have here in the hierarchy the help and support area. This is going to be like your main. This is gonna be basically where you're going. Any question you have, you just come here, and then I'm going to build in a really amazing website there that you can go anytime. And then if you want to know what is a collision, you just put in here collision, and then it's going to show everything. That's the main idea behind of help and support. Super easy. You just come in here and then you can continue work and then can see everything. So that's what it is. Now it's just it's an idea. I just put something there, but it's not 100%. Here actually just the simple thing that I put it like where is the commands for Control C, V, all the things, Z, and all this thing here. So it's more like to start something. But I'm going to teach you today how to do it. Let me know in the comments any question. I really love to see your text in the chat because that really helped me and motivate me a lot. Thank you so much. So, and now if I go to the hierarchy, this is the support again. If you go to me, put it back, I can refresh the page and I put it back. And now we have the inspector, means when you click or touch any object, you select any object, is going to give you all the settings, all the details and configuration about what the object has, like colors and all the things here. We're going to start using it. You go to global settings, this is important. Here you can add the name of the project, your space or anything, description, like the category you want to put it. Basically all the basics in here. Keep this button of the auto save, that is really important because it's not mean that it's going to auto save the files. You need to save it every time manually. For this, in the future you're going to have an account creation, but when you deactivate it, as you see, if I refresh sometimes, every time, I don't recommend it to do when you are really working hard and put a lot of details. Make sure that you save your project all the time. But it helps a lot sometimes because you see it can keep it in the cache, and then that's what it is. By the way, if you're into here, you already know you was working before. I recommend it to clear your cache. You go to history in your browser and open it because maybe you are using the old version. So to make sure that you have the fresh new version. What more we have in here? The functionalities. Let me put it here in my phone. Yeah, we have everything here like normal. File here when you can create a new project, you select and then appear the template. That's how it's going to work. Save it. Here's you going and you can start saving. I don't know, you put a name. This is from our previous client, Adult Special, and then you just save it there. Then when you save it, if I remove this house right now, and then I'm going to, I don't have anything in the canvas, I can load the project again, select the project, and then as you see, it's going to load everything. Now when you can import new assets, or also you can import it from this button, and also you can just drag and drop from anywhere you have it from this. From here, I don't know, let's see, for example, this one. I found this gallery in the internet, it's pretty cool. And then you can just drag and drop the object. That's really helpful too. By the way, now we go to see what exactly we have in this version. We have a new functionality like the templates. I already talked about that. All the templates, we're going to have it. The flight mode, wow, that's a beauty because I was working really deeply hard for this mode. And let me show you what does that mean. Gamer, I hope you make the account system ready to people can publish, can ChatGPT inconsistent. Yeah, it sounds like really easy when you say like ChatGPT. Hopefully that's gonna be easy for everything so we can build the most incredible. It's not. Unfortunately, it's not. It helped a lot, but it's not that way. It's really deeply and hard. So I'm trying to do my best, really working hard. Sometimes not even sleeping, but because I love it. The point is that I'm working on the account creation, but it's on the line. It's basically it's going to happen. But believe me, I'm doing all my best. For now, you can just create the account, save the project, upload it in the ALYSSIUN server, and then you have your website. I try to upload it really fast, sometime in real time in live. If you make it something right now, you can just send me and I upload it right now. So That's another good thing when I am in live. You can just send the files, anybody, anyone, and then we upload it right now, so faster in real time. I was talking about the fly, there you are, the fly camera mode. That's really my favorite. I want to show something. With this mode, for me, it's incredible. If you're a gamer, I think it's gonna be really easy for you to use it. If you're not a gamer, try it because it's my favorite mode. ALYSSIUN, basically, a builder is going to provide 2 different modes. Let me know in the comments always if you can hear my voice and if the music, everything is good. So to make sure that you can hear the music is not too loud, you know. Let's go back to the camera mode here. Here's where you can change. You have 2 different modes. You have the orbit mode and the fly mode. The orbit mode is this one. When you move the mouse, you click it, you can go around the orbit of the object. When you press, remember always to press to your favorite button is gonna be F, because F is like if you are looking this way right here, and I move the camera right now, it's in this orbit, not in the object. Let me remove this here so we can teach with the Q. So everyone, let me put it some color here. Yeah, but actually it's not even looking the. Yeah, it's okay. Let's put it green, so maybe easy to see. Let's see. I have the object. If I press right click, right, and I move the camera, I can go around of this orbit of the center. But if I press F when I click the object, right? Let's see, I have this other object right here. Red one, right? So I am moving my orbit over here. But if I go click here and I press F, this is what has happened. It's going to that object, it's going to point the camera or the point view of view, the view to that object, and then now you can go through around. It's pretty cool. If you press again F, go a little bit closer, press again, go far, a little bit far, but the point is that you can go around the object. That's really, really important. Basically your main key is gonna be F. The second one, it's here's an example. If I want to go to the red one, I just select, press F, and now I'm here again, looking that object. That's why it's really important your F. You always go faster to that object. That's when you are in orbit, and also when you are in fly mode. But when we go now, that's basically, I was explaining, this is the orbit mode. How you move around, left click, you move around, right click, you move like in the space. That's all. Now my favorite mode, fly mode. When you click here and you change it to fly mode, basically if you press the first click, left click, you can select the objects, the same like orbit. But the difference now is when you press the right click, the right click, right, and you keep it, press it, you can move it. If you press one time, nothing happens. You need to keep press. That's how basically you can move the camera. But also you need, if you're a gamer, you can go, you see, forward, backward with W, S, A to go left, D to go right. And if you press Q, it's going down, E is going up. Those commands are really important. If you want to go a little bit faster, you can keep press Shift. That's how we walk or how we run in gaming. And that's basically it is. The fly mode allows you to just really have a freedom to go in the space and really go to the object. Check it out how beauty. I can just go around the object. That's why I love it. I never lose the view. As soon as you really learn how to walk with the fly mode, it's like gaming. It's super easy. You see, I go faster. By the way, when you press right click, right, you can control the velocity here. You see the fly mode, I have it in 10. If I put it 1 and I go, check it out, super slow. I want to go faster and get here, super fast. But also, if you press right click and move the wheel in the mouse, you can control the velocity, which is incredible. So you don't need to come here. You can just customize and go faster. And as you see, if you control it here, you control it on to 50. But if you go with the mouse, you can even increase it. That's crazy. It's going too fast, really, really fast. And then you go down, you go to 1. Sometimes, this is another important part, even 1 sometimes is not enough. Let me go here to this corner. It's not enough. Even you can just come here, erase the 1, and then you can put it 0.1, enter. Now you go even more, even deeply slow. You see, for this type, those corners that you really need to go, that's why. So it's unbelievable, game changer, this mode. This is the same mode we use as usually in Unity. In the orbit mode we use it in Blender, and I was thinking why we don't have both modes. That's why I said no, let's make it happen, that we can have those 2 modes. If you love orbit, you use orbit. By the way, orbit and mobile is going to be amazing. It's incredible. Now mobile version is not working 100% effective. I was focused only on this version to make sure that works, and then in the next release 100% is gonna be for mobile. So I'm really happy for that. So we can even build our websites from mobile. So now mobile is not 100% working. You can enter, but you're gonna see that you don't have access to panels and everything. Okay, so basically that's what it is. Incredible way. Here you can reset values. You go to orbit again, press again, and now you have orbit. What more? Let's keep a fly mode. That is my favorite. I really love that. Let's keep here. We know now we have the fly mode, amazing, and then the smart focus. That's really good too. So basically, that is like when we combine fly mode with the smart focus, right? This one we have here, smart focus UI panel is going too high. That's incredible good, because now as you see my screen is even bigger, it's 27 inches. But what about if you have a really small screen? Oh my god, this canvas is gonna be small. The one way you can do it, just press this I here, and then you have this all high, or press space, and basically that's how you was working. All this version was working in the previous version, all these functionalities, but here's what I changed. I improve it to the next level, which means before, if I want to go to hierarchy, I need to open again with space, see what I want to see here or here or here in the library, and go press space again and continue. It's good, but it's not like the best experience. But now no, now you are here in focus mode. Only what you need to do, I want to change some values to this object. I go to the right side and I have a super simple functionality, but it gives us an incredible, amazing experience at the moment we are working. But you are here, come here, and now we can continue. Change the values, whatever you need it. Here, you see? Now I go to the hierarchy, I have my functionality, I want to see something from help and support. Oh, pretty cool. You see, super helpful. I want to see something from the library. I want to drop any object from library. Here it is. Simple, amazing. So this is a game changer. This functionality with the fly mode, sorry, it changed everything. It's just, in my case, I love it. I try to think as much as I can how people can really work really happy, and it's gonna be simple and easy to use. I know the painful part right now when you are new in this space is to walk through, because this is not like a traditional website where you can just drag you can just scroll down and up. Here you need to know that you need to move around, walk forward, backward, left and right, you know, up and down. That's it. But believe me, spend time to walk around the space, put some objects, duplicate the objects, and then try to go through, right? As soon as you try to move the wheel mouse to go faster, to go slow, as soon as you start learn how to really walk through the space, believe me, everything else is going to be super easy. Press when you're flying, also you can increase the velocity, the speed without touching the wheel, the mouse wheel, with just pressing shift. Goes a little bit faster. So this command, as soon as you do that, believe me, it's going to help you a lot. So now go next. I'm really happy for those two. We are in smart mode, camera follow, real-time tracking. This is also really good but it's not 100% how we need it. That means that when you select an object, if you go here to the camera mode, this is, you see, the smart track is activated. You can deactivate it. You can it's activated by default. So that means when you move the object, you see the camera also is going to follow the object, which is amazing. It's really important functionality. You don't need to move again and continue, and move again and continue. That's going to help a lot. And now it's moving the camera, but it's not really precisely. So I'm going to make sure the next oncoming release, when you're going to move the objects, it's always going to be like in the center, right? So that's really cool functionality. Now let's go in here. You can deactivate it if you don't want it. Sometimes maybe you don't like it, but I think this is really cool functionality when you want to move objects. So that you keep the camera in the center looking at that object. Let's keep it here. Orbit, perfect. You can reset the values with more. Give me 1 second here. Yes, we have the camera focus. Now give me in here. Yeah, so we have here, which more? Camera follow, helping center, compressing, perfect. Okay, that is basically this. You go here, now we're going to have the easy way to manage everything, because before I was putting right here with command, it's fine, but I think it's not really like the best way. I think it's good to have the option here, so we can have easy access to whatever we are doing. I'm going to remove this one from here and then to keep it here. Also, this page you're going to have it independent, so maybe when you go here, it's going to open a new tab in case you want to see everything. We go to the next one. Here was the new features, and now the improvement, increase the capacity. Oh, that's really important too, because now we're going to talk about capacity. Before in ALYSSIUN, we can upload spaces up to 30 megabytes. Which is amazing, but sometimes you want to test things or work on something different, so you can do it now. I increase it to 100 megabytes, but there is a huge but, is that yes, we can upload it. Let me show you. Here it is. This asset right here is not 30, it's more like this is just one megabyte. Let me go and find the. This is 12. Let me find here the right one. I have a gallery. Okay, I have it. This one. There it is. I have this one right here. You see, we have 55 megabytes, not 30, so it's more. I increase it to 100, so you can just come here and drop it. Wait a little bit, and now we have. So basically, we can upload more than 100 megabytes. Sometimes remember that the object is not the right size. You can just select the object and then. There you are, select the object and then try to reset like position and also scale. So now it's gonna. I check it out, this beautiful space. I think I saw an internet, I say, wow, how cool. Let's delete this one. Yeah, and how beautiful. You can also put a full screen here to give you a much better experience in the builder. Really nice, huh? You see this, the different, imagine I could do this with the orbit. With fly mode, I can do that. That's why I love fly mode. You can do this in the other mode. It's a huge difference. Okay, now we go to, I love this fly mode, amazing. Okay, now we go to the next one. Let's go out of full screen. So basically we can have more than 100 megabytes, more than 30 megabytes, up to 100 megabytes. By the way, I was thinking, I forget. It's really important to know this. Yes, we can upload up to 100 megabytes, but there is a problem. It's not going to be in a, actually we have now a portal where is going to be all the spaces in here, right? So, bro, I'm working this week because we're gonna have another release where I'm going to remove total portal and merge it and totally in ALYSSIUN. So instead to go here through portal, you're going to go there through here to the main page of ALYSSIUN.com. When you go to ALYSSIUN.com, you can install the app actually in your phone because this version of the web is already I already work for to be like a progressive web app. You can just install it and that's it. So everything is gonna be here. You just enter ALYSSIUN and you decide business or social, and then you have all the spaces. So I'm merging all. I'm gonna merge everything. It's gonna be easy to use. So, but this is the point. When you go to upload something, if your space is 100 megabytes, it's not going to show up in here in the main market of ALYSSIUN, and where basically is all the apps, all the other spaces. This is gonna be like an app store, for example. You publish your space in here. So our vision here and our goal is to provide as much as we can a good experience for everyone who's going to access it. If the space has more than 30 megabytes, it's going to be really not good because many users around the world, they don't have that high-speed internet and mobiles with, you know, we need to consider that for many people around the world, and then we want they enter too. So basically the 30 megabytes allow them to get access through a really weak internet, and also no matter if they have any really high and mobile or computer. So that's the point. We can create with 30 megabytes amazing spaces, but if you have more than 30, you're not gonna be here in this part. You're going to have your space in ALYSSIUN. You can have a link, and we're going to create a different category. Maybe for spaces who are, maybe that's a good idea. I'm always open to hear your comments, your feedback. Maybe we can create a space. The first time you go ALYSSIUN, it's the 30 megabyte space, but there's gonna be maybe here another button where it means all the spaces above 100 megabytes. You see, above to whatever, 30 or 50 or 100 megabytes. So when you click there, you know that is gonna be spaces maybe bigger, but the internet, you're going to require to have much better internet. So maybe that's gonna be a good idea. Yeah, and the same thing when you're going to publish your space here, is going to be through a verification process. We want to make sure the space has the minimum guidelines to post in here. So maybe the quality of the texture and everything. You need to really post something that is going to give the good experience for people and for your users, for your customers. And it's gonna be the same idea. If you have a space, it's not ready, 100% finished, so you can publish the same idea, and maybe it's gonna be another button which maybe we can call under construction. That means you can put it there. Anyone who's going to ALYSSIUN, if they want to see something what is under construction, there's gonna be all the spaces. I think it's a pretty cool idea, so people know they go for that specific goal. They want to just see it under construction spaces. That's, I think, is cool. But the main page where all the traffic, all the people is gonna be, this one is going to be, you need to have less than 30, maximum 30 megabytes, and also you need to take care of your space in a really good quality as much as you can, and then you can post it. I think the goal is to provide a good experience for everyone, not just go here and then they cannot access, or the space that looks so not really good. So I think that's basically the goal. Now, let's continue. And I put it here. Increase the capacity. So basically, we're incredible. We can now upload 100 megabyte. You can use it, retest it, and then if you want to post it in ALYSSIUN in the published area, in the market, make sure that you have 30 megabytes of the space, no more than 30 megabytes. Now, multi-select, add support control. Oh, this is really important too. Like for example, if you are working here, right, and then let's open this space, right, and then you want to sometimes you can here you cannot move it. The only way you can move it is you go out here, and then you can put it a little bit bigger, enter again, and then you have it. So let's see, you have many different, again, if you want to click this one and then you want to select another object, like the second one for example, you can just press Control and then you can select. That's the same idea like normal. You can press Control or Command for Mac. The same how you select folders in the computer is gonna be similar in here. So we didn't have that functionality before, now it's here. So it's really helpful to drag and drop objects or put everything, keep everything organized. Or you can just select this one, and I want to select from here to here, for example. You select the first one and then press Shift, where you put the capital for the letter Shift, and then there you are. Now you can select all of them and drag and move the object anywhere you want. That's really important functionality. Multi-select, hierarchy, logic, locking, or this is important too, is that before we didn't have the option that if let's put it here, right? Let's see something. Before, if I lock the entire hierarchy of the group, of the parent, remember this is the parent, inside of the parent group we have child, right? That's how it works. So if you lock the parents before, if I click any object, like now, it's selecting the object, but you can't modify anything. You cannot move it. Basically, it's like lock. But before was an error that when you select and then also was selecting things inside. That's not really good. It's horrible when you are working. It's not good. But now when you lock it, now we don't have any more that problem. Now I can just leave it there. I can click. You see, everywhere I'm clicking like crazy, everywhere here, nothing happened. Maximum is going to select that object, that's it. But it's not going to drop down anything, it's not going to modify anything. That was a huge improvement also. Hierarchy logic, interaction logic groups, prevent, that's basically exactly the same. Interaction logic group, exactly, but I already explained it. And now with the fixes area, access origin, new object now currently span in the world. Well, the small improvement here, scene, persistent, fixer, reset issue, draw, plane, and refresh. Geometry, correctly single phase. Okay, all these three is basically this. I already fixed it. The before means that when you put an object, let's delete this one. Let's say you put an object, now it's totally in zero, everything. Before it was like a 1 by default, that's not good. So basically we make sure that everything is correct in the Canva. There you are. Everything, you put a new object or something, is gonna be in that position when it's coming from here. Sometimes when it's coming from here, have a different position. But in this case, we make sure that. And the other important part that is you can add a plane. A plane is basically, you can see both faces, you see? You can see this side, that's a plane. You can use it for floor, but in reality you can use it for many different things, right? But ideally for walls, ceiling, it depends, it's crazy. It's not like exactly like you need to use it for that. You can use it for anything you can imagine, but there it is. It's two faces. Why I make emphasis in two faces is because now we're going to do this. just added a new one, but the other one is a squat. If I add that squat, check it out what is happened. You see, this is the squat, but the difference is it's invisible the other side because it doesn't have face. There you are. So you can use it maybe for video, when the future is gonna be for videos, for the images, for logos, for a lot of things, even for walls. Check it out. Because we can create spaces that are pretty much beautiful, but also when you are from the outside, you can see inside. So your creativity here is crazy. You can start doing things. So again, the plane, you can see both sides, but for quads, you basically see just one side. That was basically another thing that it was not working very well. Now it's working. And here the same, we have the empty object, point lights. Now the lights is not working 100%, it's working, but it's not like 100%. I'm going to work also in oncoming release to make sure that also lights and everything is going to have an incredible, everything is going to work. For now, don't use the lights because it's not like really work 100%. So that's the only thing. The other one, perfect. Spheres, we have it here. Let's deactivate this. When you see it's moving like squat, so now you can move it like this. You can just activate or deactivate, or in my case, I love to learn everything, all the commands. As soon as you learn the commands in keyboard, it's gonna be easy. So I don't need to click here. I just press V, like Victor, right? And automatically it's going to activate. So I don't need to come here and do that. You can have changed the values in here. And one improvement, huge one, was in here. Let's see, I don't have, now it's not activate the, let's change the color. Now it's not activated, I didn't activate, yeah, I didn't activate the snap. The snap mean, you see, it's not going squat. So what happened if I activate it? Before was not working. When I activate that functionality and you move it, was not working really well, but now it's really amazing, working perfect. Which means now if you want to start the object here, app, right, and I activate snap, now it's not gonna be in the same place of the red one. Now it's gonna be exactly right there. You reorganize in a smart way that the cube is gonna be also start counting the numbers from there. So you can just go, you see, to the other side. You can do anything, and then when you bring it back, it's gonna be exactly in the same place. So that's helpful when you want to just duplicate objects. So you don't need to go, when you don't use this functionality and you want to go from here, you need to do this. You see? It takes more time to go there, copy, paste, and now copy paste, and now I go to the next one. I need to go here. Now you got it. It's not really good. No, that's not really good, right? But if you put it there and you activate the snap, you just copy, and then you see again. So basically it's going directly to the planes. It's really important. And then I think basically that's all. We're going to start building a space, or continue maybe in building space from one of our clients, one of our partners. We're going to work an incredible space that we did it yesterday, and I we want to continue. Actually, I hear that he was working on it, so I want to see. I'm really excited to see how he was improving, and then how we're going to continue building more things. So let me drink some water here. I want to see maybe if he's here. You can send me a message here in YouTube, and then I'm going to create a Google Meet so you can access. Let me know in the comments if you are here. He's from Proyecto Tanero. Nahuel is his name, and then we're going to create. He's creating one of the first agency partners with ALYSSIUN. So he's starting to build websites, virtual spaces for their clients, and then we are helping them to make this happen possible with all the technology that we want to provide at ALYSSIUN. Everyone is welcome. We want to help all the agencies who want to learn how to build virtual spaces, virtual websites, so you can start creating your own agencies and offer this new incredible, because basically this is going to be the future of the internet. Instead to build traditional website where you can just scroll, you can create a really immersive spaces, virtual spaces where people can share moments there. There's no traditional website. You can just go to your website to do something special. You don't go to just buy a product or service. You go because you want to share a moment with other friends or communities, or you want to offer your product in a more immersive space. Yeah, like you can render, you can scan your product and then you put it there. It's incredible. The possibilities is amazing. Now let me see here. I have here Okay, now we're waiting. Let's see if he can enter. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to create a new project to erase everything. I want to erase the house. So basically here, remember, you can just go here and read everything in case you want to know something, or if I miss something, or you want to every time I make updates, it's gonna be there in that website. So now we go to, let's show something, for example, the spaces, how it works. We have this one right here. Look at how beautiful. Just amazing. Nice. Okay. So basically we have that. Now let's go to the builder. We're going to build a space every day. Everyone who want, I can build your space here directly in our live stream. You are welcome if you want to win that. It's gonna be totally free. I just want to create content, and yeah, everyone is welcome. You have a store or something, I want to be really happy to help you to build something. Just come here, support our vision channel, all the project, and then I gonna build it for you here. You just come, I give you a link for a video call. You don't need to show your faces, you don't want, just you can talk, and then you can tell me exactly how you want the space, and I can build it. We can build it together. Here we are now with one of our customers coming. It's obvious, but I'm in a link. Perfect. Let's see. We're going to create a Google Meet link. A little stretch. Stretch. Okay, now. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah, man. Nice to
Hey,
see you, man.
here, Noel. How
Of
are you
course.
doing today?
Fantastic. Just finishing building.
Yeah, working really hard for this. Be happy actually testing it. And that I am doing it feature
Mm-hmm.
really how I or be happy. Now I'm trying to share.
Okay. I'll just send you the.
Yeah, you need to improvement. You can see
Mhm.
their screen, right?
Yes, I'm seeing the screen. I'll just send you the web I found to get the textures, the seamless textures, and I'll just send you the.
Oh, perfect. Yeah, he basically telling me like extra. Did it for us and then now you send me the project.
It's Jason. Yeah, I've been struggling. I mean, I'm with the design and everything. I'm going slow because I'm learning how to use the builder.
Yeah.
But my only issue was the size.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
what we should optimize actually
Yeah.
today.
Now we can, I don't know if look in the stream, now we can have up to 100 megabytes to work, at least to work in the builder. Also to post it in different area, not in public side, for spaces for, gonna call it like a different category, spaces over 30 megabytes. Customer category there. But people can upload it 100. But in the builder is really important. Space now is there.
Okay, I just sent it to you. Okay. Okay, I've been.
There it is. Wow. Did you try the
Wait.
modes and make?
I didn't try. Why the textures are not the textures I set?
Same?
No. Wait, maybe I send you an older one. Yeah, it was my bad. Wait. I send you older file.
The older file.
Yeah. I send you the older file. Yes, this one should be the right JSON. Wait. Maybe you see that one? It's a bit heavier. There we are.
I see my makeup.
What size is the size that has to be under 30? The JSON or the GLB?
GLB.
The GLB, okay.
Final project too.
Okay. Okay.
That's why I also
Okay,
use the 100 because time when you are working with more, have a chance to work in this.
Mm-hmm.
After this, board and hitting things, that's also 100. I think is
Yeah, 100 is more than enough. You got it?
good. Yeah. That is no.
I think it's just a shadow or something. Yes.
I know what.
Yeah, probably you know it.
Actually, I was. Okay, now we have this way. Now you see why I love the fly mode.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, it's so different.
Nice.
And it's just freedom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically, here you change the floor.
It's incredible.
You test
The-
it
I-
in photo.
I tested in Pro, yeah.
Was working good.
I think it was 75, something like this, in my Mac.
Now, what exactly?
To
I
continue,
see
yeah,
you did all the detail.
that was a hard work. That window, I think I've been 3 hours, 4 hours
Yeah.
just for the windows.
Because that's what I say. The details is what it takes. But now, especially you don't need to take 3 hours. It's gonna be super fast. As soon as how to. I think it's important the first that I was doing this day that I move around the tool. Start again. Everything. Here you want.
Mm-hmm.
That mode. That is our track. Oh, we. But a smart track is I move the object. Happening here. Our track basically always in the
I see. I got it.
to fit. But it's amazing. Imagine you want to go to here from like all way. Grab it. Cameras follow the camera.
Wow.
But now it's not good, so it's active. Like normal. Now you have that object of. That's pretty cool.
No worries, no worries.
So tell me, what exactly is?
Yeah, actually, is the website is quite. I think the base is quite good. I wanted to work on the stands, like to improve them, to add some yeah, some
Electricity.
lights, some things, something like that. I will add the assets later, and I will get the final textures and because I only added the textures for the main floor
Huh?
and for the black floor in the left of the wood one. The wood is the expanded texture. This is not the good one, but it looks so good anyways. It looks
Yeah,
so good, but I
amazing. Nice.
Mhm. But that one I did like that one is expanded. Like is not even the final one.
Right.
I will have to set texture for all that individual things. I wanted to ask you how could we because my file already surpassed the 30 megabytes, and I wanted to like try to optimize and know exactly which is wrong and which can we optimize here.
Yeah.
So don't do the whole space and then realize it's 60 megabytes and had to go back and destroy things. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Well, because you want to improve the, like, for example, the lights. Unfortunately, now we don't have that function. Have this
Okay.
type in right and
Yeah, then
right, like this.
yeah, no
Now
worries.
you, yeah, I'm going to work on that. Now we don't have the lights. So now
Those are
what
the
we,
final steps.
yeah, now what we need to work is like a holes and give us lights. But that's the next one coming is I'm going for 100 lights. Help you
Hmm.
have those shadows.
Okay, I think we could start fixing the thing that I showed you that I found in the door at the ceiling. Maybe we
Okay.
can fix that. Man, it's
Yeah.
going crazy.
When do you want to?
Do you remember when I showed you the when we tested it the and I was spawning at the ceiling?
Oh, yes, yes, basically.
La, why?
Or that's one, yeah, that's one way that we avatar.
Mm-hmm.
That's one way, or face up the.
But I will have to raise the ceiling up at some point anyway, right?
Oh, is it? Have two options: raise the ceiling, or
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but later I will have to raise it up anyways, I
also
guess.
you wanna do it? Okay.
Mhm. Okay, we can raise the ceiling. Then I'm thinking what else we can do.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Maybe I'm coming back in 1 second.
And we for the new remove. That the button and It looks like an okay.
I've got a question. When what do you recommend me to do when we start building a new scene or a template or something when we start with the texturing? Because for example, the floor, the main floor is textured, but before it was just one piece of floor, like one cube. Now, when I started texturing, so it doesn't get expanded, I divided into 6 pieces of 6 cubes, let's say. Do you recommend me? Yeah, the floor is 6 cubes. No, you got the empty, the group. That's the
Yeah.
group. Yeah, it's 6, and it's 6 or 8. The thing is, do you recommend me to start building it like first making the space, and then when I have already the space or the size of the space, create little cubes? Or do you
Yeah.
recommend me to start building?
Actually, that's what I. Everything ready after you start with it. Much cues you
Mm-hmm.
FP have the 30th. Also, you all the like the last part should now more focused basically on the space.
Okay.
Okay. That's how.
Okay. And how big do you think the blocks needs to be so to have a perfect match between the quality and
With
okay.
always try the recommend try to pick key angles.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, I get it. I get it.
That is
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, we can try it that way.
have it here. Oh, the avatar base.
Okay. If you
Base.
double if you double jump, can you access the second floor? No? Okay. Because I'm thinking I don't want to put nothing there. Maybe something little small in the background if somebody jumps. But it's like I want to make it as simple as possible.
So you want people?
No. I don't want them to go there.
Ah, okay. Yeah, but I think it's cool when. You.
Yeah. I mean,
I jump because I'm a gamer, obviously. But usually, if it's a business, they don't going to get.
No, but there's going. I mean, I imagine here is going to be a wall, and there is going to be the information of what I'm selling, like what is the 3D, the immersive websites, the like why they will need to like it will be a sales wall, let's say.
But remember that also you. People walk around. Remember the walls that is going to allow people to increase the entire.
What?
Yes. Let's say you don't want to go here, right? And that's the beauty of the. Just the. You don't want people to go here, right? Exactly. So basically, that's what you. So when he finished, pass it. Visible.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, I will do it. I will do it that in the other side, so people cannot jump into the like behind the stands. There's not gonna be nothing. There's gonna be that like a zero opacity wall.
Yeah.
So they could be see to the sky. But
before I forget, because I already put that functionality, you don't need to put it the opacity. You can just unclick here the render. Okay, it's the same.
Okay, and the wall is there.
The wall is there, but the render no. Now you see that I'm preparing for the collision, guys. Means that the collision is help a lot to improve the performance of the FPS, because you can remove all collision from mostly the space and to just create collision, not in the small decrease performance.
For example, the floor, instead of having
exactly, instead to have like a many different
dozens.
squares, you deactivate it here. You're going to deactivate the entire collision of all these squares, and at the end you just put one longer. That's the one who is
okay. I get it.
Going to help a lot. But unfortunately now it's working the visuals, but the collision is right now. The I don't think it's working because sometimes the problem with this work hard and sometimes works because maybe when I fix one code it was related with that, and then, but I don't think it's working. You want a wall also to the side, right?
I don't want a wall there.
No, but you told me that you want to, right?
I don't want people to go there, but I want people to see the windows.
Yeah, yeah, but that's what I mean. This one is going to be like a
Yeah, with no render.
exactly
I got it. I
texture.
get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it.
Here, over here too.
Uh, I don't think so because it's gonna be like it's more polygons, and this is gonna be a wall anyways in that side, like a real wall.
I can
So
leave
I
it like
don't.
that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Is uh
Also,
mhm.
but
Okay.
by
Mhm. Yeah, it is.
half of
Okay. Okay, nice. Yeah. Uh, yeah, we should do that. We should raise the walls. That's the functionality. Like it only you modify only the size of one side. Ah, no, no. I know. I thought you were already fixed the, like, so you click in the right
Oh
side
no,
and it only
I
expanded,
only
right?
did that's it. Now I'm
Okay,
here.
we got it. We got it. I think.
Back.
I Let me see, because I like it. Because that is gonna be my video. Hmm. Yeah, maybe I can have like my logo there. My logo, and then, yeah, and then my video. Like a screen. Uh-huh.
Video was talking about the new days. I improved this plane plane. You can see both sides, but when you add
Mm-hmm.
a wet spot, this one doesn't have the other side. See?
Ah, that's
Usually
for
this one for
for
images and everything is amazing and also help you to performance. So for that you can just use exactly.
Okay, I got it.
Wow, this flight mode is incredible. I cannot work without it with the one. Sorry, go to the game.
No, no, it's
Flight
game
changer.
changing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Just a screen.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. It can be expanded, or this is just for the images.
Sorry? No, yeah, this is gonna be.
Uh-huh.
No, this one you can't.
Mm-hmm. Ah, okay.
That's the point.
Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, I like it that way. I like it that way. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It happens something if the one object is inside another one, but not 100% inside. Like for example, if that one surpasses the ceiling, they will see from the main floor. Like if that is not 100%, I mean, it has to be millimetrically plugged.
That happened. That
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
or be
But it,
that's what it. Aqua.
Mhm. That is gonna be incredible. I think that is gonna be one of the.
Guys, now
Okay. Yeah, but I think you like it. Like you will create the website in a way that people see is from inside. I will not gonna see that uh, like that one, that part of the ceiling. No. Mm-hmm. It is crazy. It is crazy.
but
I
if
wanted
you
to.
to walk through, I through
I was trying it, but it wasn't working in my computer. I don't know why.
press
No, no, I wasn't. I wasn't. I wasn't. I was doing. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Uh huh. Yeah. Uh huh. Yeah. No, I know. No, I did that. But when I select the.
right click. The right click.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I got it. But I need to keep it pressing all the time.
All the time. Fine.
Uh,
Have a map.
yeah, it's
With
so
the
annoying.
mouse. Yeah, but
But,
with the mouse.
uh,
How you see?
yeah, yeah. With the mouse, it's just one click, and it's one finger. You don't have to, because I have to use the fingers for click, and I have to use the fingers for moving
You need to
at the same
press
time.
after you, or you camera.
Mhm. I get it now. I get it. Why it wasn't working. And how do you move? Like up and down. Q.
So
Oh, I get it. Oh, it goes so smooth. I will need to buy a mouse.
you see,
Super fast. See. I would like to know how to reduce the size of the file before continue working. The GLB, the final GLB is already above 30 megabytes. If you export it, it's like 33 megabytes. So does make sense to continue. How many? Mm-hmm. No, it's not.
I
Yeah, I know. I don't know what was the maybe. Yeah, they're running GitHub. The floor. I mean, I think they maybe the Windows, but
part of the
that's part of the game.
era where now I need.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, but how you know? What do you mean? To see how the file goes? Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, makes sense. At 31. It's weird, yeah.
Why is
Mm-hmm. And once you detect it, how do you create a new one which is no heavy? Nada, nothing, nothing. Try removing the windows. Try removing the windows. All the windows. I think it's that. I think are the window because I think that windows are 10 megabytes. I swear to God. I swear to God are the fucking windows. I, no, this word is not. Hmm.
that's how
I don't think are they have no even textures. No?
we are going better because it means that we are removing contour.
So the windows the windows
Maybe add it back.
so the windows were like
That's
one nothing, right?
That's the
I know how you test it now because you still have the file.
exactly how I remove
Mm-hmm.
that session. I unit.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because maybe you think it's one thing and it's not that one. Maybe it's a little shit
No, exactly. That's what I mean.
that gets the whole. What did you just remove? Because I think it was when you exported as 25.
Place where
Sorry. 10 megabytes. Mm. Mm-hmm. No, I don't think it's the picture too, because it was. No, I think, but there's any like basic size of of the space. Like just for existing, it's 15 megabytes or something like this. There is 12. You got the size when you export it in the. You know how to look at properties. It's 12. Mm-hmm. The textures. The textures. They are optimized. They are like I compressed the files, so they are couple of hundred of kilobytes. It shouldn't be a lot. Maybe it was.
Out of
Mhm. So you just remove one picture and it was 1 megabyte. 2 megabytes just the picture. Yeah, but that picture I uploaded without compressing or something. It was just for see how was it. But the floor and that I compressed them. I download GPL. But just that two little things are 10 megabytes. But what it was?
that was M.
Mm-hmm.
Have like
But how?
I that,
No, 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 no. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Why?
wow. Because this
It cannot be those two. Maybe the wall. Instead of removing the wall, try removing only the texture.
there you are. That's how basically it is. Now you basically learn how to optimize. Basically, final is 100% calculated.
The final boss.
Yeah, is the texture. Now we're going to
But leave one texture. Leave one texture. One of those
yeah.
two. If it's
and
I wanna see if it's 1 megabyte, 5 megabytes
exactly.
each.
That's what we pretend. There you are. Because let me tell you, I was a little bit like, oh my god, I can't believe
Scared.
it after yes,
Yeah.
after all this huge work, engine is going to get some issue. No way. like
No, no way, no
I
way.
know,
It
really,
didn't.
was really working hard, but it can happen. It happened, and I work back again. Well, no,
Luckily, it
builder,
didn't.
yeah, the builder is working perfect. What has happened here exactly? Let's undo. Basically 10 megabytes. So what we can do now is the new project.
But wait, before we
And
wait,
I'm going
no.
to load. No, I'm going to load up entire project again.
Okay.
By the way,
Yeah. Textures. Yeah, but I think the first two walls, when I put them, I put some because it has the textures that I was trying to make it before, and they are uploaded. They are in the server you created, right?
huh?
The first two. Uh huh.
Also, that can now.
Mm-hmm. It's still 10 megabytes less.
Maybe it was that one. One second.
Yeah, those are the original ones I sent you. They're not
have it.
optimized there.
Already have it.
I
Right?
actually, I deleted of them. They doesn't work for me because they are not seamless
Okay,
and they are heavy.
Perfect. Perfect.
$34. Wow. Ah, but that texture is still there. I think that one texture was 10 megabytes. That one is 10 megabytes.
That's the one.
Wait, I wanna see it. I wanna confirm. Ba, 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 ba.
Oh yes, it.
But so weird why it was like when
Only
we,
5 megabytes. Yeah, 530. Four megabytes. Equal.
I don't think that are that ones, but they can be. Like if I
But it's good that I'm doing. How?
mm-hmm.
There it is.
But it's impossible. That textures are 100. Like in the file is
Yeah, but when
167 kilobytes.
store, that's what.
Mhm. Yeah, but
But
yeah, because we don't like. There's no other way to have it textures otherwise. But the last time you copied all lot of textures and it worked. Like why it's not working?
that's the always I see that come that word
Mhm.
optimize.
Yeah, that's the main
That's
challenge.
yeah, it's gonna be the challenge. But actually, we already have the challenge for website. So everything that's all. That was always the today's day. For checking, coded
Mm-hmm.
timer. So basically, we are dealing in traditional website the same. Now, obviously, the virtual is going to happen.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to do
Yeah, I
my
know.
best to get out, but we're going to have.
But the only thing I don't understand is how last time did you multiply a lot of times and it didn't create more space, and now with this texture it creates more space. I don't get it.
Maybe different texture work in a different way. That's what I want. I'm going to figure out. Yeah, I think. Oh, we're gonna make it.
Mhm. Yeah, we're gonna make it.
But,
We
yeah.
know it works. We know it already worked. So
I remove all. Anyone
on the 5
one was
with the textures. This is 3. You can try 2.
still. There it is. That's the work.
Mm-hmm. Do you know what it can be? You can the textures inside the, because I was copying the items with the texture. No, there's two. That one.
Here, you see also that can be.
All
And
that, all it.
and that's part of the. That's what I was about to say. For the designers, our work, like for example, I don't think thoroughly you can play. What you can do here, you touch this thing, the texture, then you come here, use this pencil, try to get out. See? You're
Yeah,
going to
but it's
realize
different.
that exactly. You don't need it. You don't need that texture there. You don't need a texture. That texture can just come here to this pencil. It's amazing. Take it. Use it.
But I think you need them.
Yeah. Or you just go to the object here. Get out. Actually, it looks like similar.
It looks quite similar actually.
Really,
But you
really
remove all
similar.
the windows. You remove all the windows and they were 2 megabytes.
Yeah, but I think that's what I mean. When you start counting 2 megabytes here, 1 megabyte here, 3 megabytes, and then you realize that that's the 10 megabyte.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That's when it's part of the process optimize. By the way, also you can optimize. Are you really needed that way? Maybe we can create like a this one.
Yeah.
Sometimes maybe and look full out. But it's like we need to start thinking how we can create a optical vision.
Okay.
Yeah, like you can have things. It look cool. How costing.
Okay, I get it. I
Yeah,
get it.
That's part of the start making content related with that. Really focus.
Yeah. You have to prioritize.
But you really need it, exactly. That make you part of the super load. Just simple like that. Maybe don't.
I get it.
Or
I get it.
or maybe you don't need, like maybe if you need it, too close, maybe separate. There's a lot of ways how you can provide. That's the point. You can be here and you and the idea is you're going to provide the experience, but how you can costing.
I get it.
The ruined experience, and maybe one of them. You don't need the three. Two of them is gonna give you exactly the same experience. It's just two, no three. Same, maybe like a 24 10. And these small things like that is when space 30 megabytes is more than enough. Optimize. At the end, it's the same experience. You can enter the same. It's 5 or 20 goes.
I get it, but how can we make it in the future? For example, when it's a store that has to have a lot of products.
Well, I'm working on that too. A
How
lot of
can we? Okay.
Actually, for that, I was.
Yeah.
You enter products from and table store, and now you have all those things. Walking. That way we can.
Like uploading, like is it uploading in real time?
No,
When you
because
move.
go, remember this is one scene. When you go through the door, now it's going to load the next scene. That
Mhm.
scene doesn't have only 5 or 10 other room.
Mhm.
The other room. That room, the other space. Connected. In page, gonna be like home page. Now let's see, you walk here, and you go to about page. Other different. Total new. That, going to send it to that. That idea you can. You go to contact us. Go to the room where you have only these tables. Next one. That idea is on Etsy.
Yeah, actually, the size is the main challenge, because if you can make a huge space with a lot of details and a lot of things. But if it is 100 GB, like it doesn't make sense for the browser. The optimization is the key.
Optimization is basically we're going to face exactly what all the people in, I don't know, 90s and 2000 facing websites. Now imagine here it's gonna, because I said, I don't know.
And do you know what I'm thinking now? I don't know if how possible is technically to implement, but what if you have like different versions of the same websites with more or less detail, and it sends you to one or other one, depends on your connection of internet.
Yeah, that
Is
can
it possible?
work. Yeah, that can work. Two different ones. Let's do, yes.
Like the same
we can do that. I'm going to work on that idea. I'm gonna add it right.
Exactly.
To enter. Recognize if you have any, or if you have a
in real time.
internet. Exactly. Bytes.
Okay, I get it. Because maybe a person a person has a great internet, but is in a judge going through a bridge, and is getting into your website in that moment. I don't know. It's just thinking, but it's a great idea.
To try to automate or recognize, but I'm going to have both spaces. That's the perfect size. That's the perfect.
But it's aside to have a really, really good website, detailed.
Have a really good website. I'm going. Exactly. This one, that was the idea. Right? Download the Ultra. Unlimited.
Yeah.
There's no. But now, because web browser.
Wow. Yeah, we can do really, really nice things.
Now we already. But or enter the website and device, because both have the best internet. Device also the go to that page, access automatically device 100 experience or.
Well, that's game changing.
I'm going to do that and believe me. Yeah, it is possible. It is, but because in the worst scenario, you can add like a button. There is manual. Here. Gigabytes. Ask you like to go lower quality, but I don't know, high quality. That's good. The
How-
worst scenario, and that's gonna be easy. Like I can do
How
that.
possible?
And people
How
think
possible-
high quality 100. And put it high quality is gonna take you whatever 1 minute, and the other one is gonna take you 10 seconds. That's
And
gonna
how
be the easy
possible
way.
is to you have like the 30 megabytes and the 100 megabytes, and you go ASAP, you go first to the 30 megabytes, and then in real time when you are already inside, it's possible to start charging the other the 100 megabytes, like the details. I don't know
No,
if
no,
it's possible.
because yes, it is possible.
Because they are two different, right?
Possible. From
But do you think 100 megabytes is gonna be a problem for most of the devices?
no, because about the one, oh, the version had it like
Mm-hmm.
156
Mm-hmm.
hot. Why
I get it.
That's what it.
Well, this is it is not that easy as it looks.
Oh,
The
gonna be a
creation of the
challenge. Here, you see,
website.
I forget to fix it. Bro, this way. All you have polygons all the way.
That's amazing. Yeah, I have to play with the textures. I didn't play with them at all. Hmm.
Be- because this functionality is not global one like of one way to put everything I have one object that group of select higher speed vector and pattern and access automatically counting everything. Have a thousand. That's something.
Okay.
Because as you see, 100 like
The triangles,
yeah,
the polygons.
100. Right.
I get it, but I think it's likely if you have a good internet, you have a good device. It's likely to happen.
It's like this. case,
Mm-hmm.
first is
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Also, it depends a lot in which
now
project are you looking for, are you
27,
working
yes,
on.
and the problem now
Mm-hmm.
is they can, but they will not be able to if they don't.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, the
Yeah,
space
I get it.
from
I get it.
100 right has a really bad that person.
Yes, but I will try to optimize both. I will start making my both scenarios like my 30 megabytes one, and once I have done once I have done that, that is not the most important because it's like the minimum. I will start adding details for until 100 megabytes to get like the really really good detailed one.
That's it. Well, actually, that was the goal with. But still, the one. Yes,
100 megabytes
you
is a
can
lot,
do
but
that
maybe it can be 60. You know.
because no, because that's why I ultra. Plus, you have a thing that hey,
Yeah, but you have to download Ultra.
this thing. Button. Twitter, they would. Again,
What do you mean?
we just have it like two ways to end, right? I'm going, obviously, try to do it. Right, I see it.
Because I'm thinking if I want to create a house for a showroom, it has to be extremely detailed. That's why I like.
That's why, and that's why for that purpose, part of it, helps. That means download and show the. Actually,
I know, but
I'm going to create a Mac version. Yes, you can download Mac version or like always, but all the everything. Mac is going
yeah,
to
but
have it.
do you think a person who wants to just see a property is going to download the Ultra, or that wants to download the Ultra?
The only one.
That's the thing. But no, it has to be easy.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
for a realistic. Not this one. There's a lot of space. Really. But because optimism. That's what I. Now any.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Just the
Yeah.
100, just the 100.
No, the 100.
Not more than that.
Actually, it's already there. Are you ready?
Yeah, more than 100 megabytes is unnecessary.
Yeah. Actually, I already did. I cannot. I already have a. I have a. Five mega. I am this update. Now we have 55 megabytes over one already prepared. Now we have
We. How do they do that with 30 megabytes?
last part. Check out this one.
Yeah, it looks incredible. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I need. If my website is like this, I mean, it's enough.
But
I'm
here
done.
it is. Yes, but here's you are seeing right now in the building. ALYSSIUN. I mean,
It's possible.
Exactly. It's not like a
Yeah, I know it's possible.
100% possible. It's just yes. How to is this?
And what kind of like technology or things should I study to learn how to optimize these kind of spaces? Because my main challenge is the textures.
All this. Now in basic. Yes. A lot. Polygon, triangle, texture, vertices. That's all they want. For the web.
Okay. Yeah, it's possible. You see, it's possible. It's beautiful. If I have played as a play. Where did you find that How heavy is that park?
Like 50.
55? No. Picture gallery? Wow. There's animations? How the fuck they do that?
Right here.
And can I copy them in my spaces? Mm-hmm.
My anim
Okay.
that's the key.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, really good. Really beautiful. Yeah, it is. Makes sense.
I need to.
On my project. Huh? Yeah, I'm sleepy too. Okay, nice. Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Well, now. Hope to see you again
Thank you
here.
for thank you for everything. We'll see you. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much, Jonathan, for everything.
They will learn build their features that is far in the build. Path or in up everything. What's up? Ask me. Asador. Gonna start making. part of a corner. That's all.